Hi viewers and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The MAF sensor, which stands for Mass Airflow Sensor, has the task of measuring the air that goes into the engine, turning that value into an electric signal and then sending it to the car's ECU, or the car's computer. Simply put, the sensor helps the car's computer determine how much air the engine needs. The MAF sensor is a durable part. It can last as long as the engine, but over time, mostly due to material fatigue or because of poor maintenance, it can get clogged or completely malfunction. In that case, the symptoms we're going to show you will probably appear. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Rough idling. In the beginning phase of a bad MAF sensor problem, you may notice that the engine occasionally has a rough idle. This symptom is hard to spot at the beginning of the problem. It happens randomly, both when the engine is cold or has reached working temperature. But later, as the problem gets worse, it will be more noticeable. You may also occasionally notice a smell of fuel from the exhaust due to a rich air-fuel mixture. A hesitation when accelerating. Besides rough idling, you may also experience that when you press the accelerator pedal, there is a slight hesitation. In the beginning, it lasts only a split second, but you will notice it. As the problem gets worse, the hesitation becomes longer and present all the time. A massive loss of engine power. Now we come to the symptom that is characteristic and most noticeable for a bad MAF sensor, and that is a massive loss of engine power. So when you press the gas pedal, the power will be literally, in most cases, cut in half. This looks very dramatic since the acceleration will be sluggish, to say the least, and there will probably also be engine stalling. The car may also go into limp mode at this point. All in all, the car will be almost undriveable, or you'll have to drive it with extreme caution. The check engine light appears. Almost immediately after this, the check engine light will appear on the dashboard. A faulty mass airflow sensor will send false signals to the car's ECU, which will then command an improper air-fuel mixture for the engine. This then leads to a disturbance in the engine combustion, irregular exhaust gases, and the check engine light because of this will appear. Also, if the car has a warning light for an electrical or electronic fault, like for instance the VW group has the EPC light, it may also appear on the dashboard. At this point, if you were to connect an OBD tool, you would probably get a P0101 or similar DTC code. Bigger fuel consumption. Finally, if you decide to drive the car in this condition, you'll notice a big increase in fuel consumption. As a rough estimate, the consumption will go up as much as 50%. So, dear viewers, for the end of this video, when a bad mass airflow sensor problem happens, solve it as soon as possible. We're mentioning this since some people, despite the fact that the car is almost undrivable, persist in driving it this way. Know that if you do this, it can lead to major engine damage. Also, changing the air filter on time and doing some preventive cleaning of the sensor, if possible, will help you avoid this mishap altogether. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps notice the problem on time. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.